Come test drive the 2020 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote trunk release, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, tires, front performance. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.